All right, we're
Not
getting
only
some
this
very
is putting
important
pressure on
breaking
the
news
economy.
coming in right there. We'll have to cut straight across to it. Big breaking news coming in after oxygen SOS that was sent out by Batra Hospital. The Delhi High Court has asked the Delhi government to take urgent steps to help out Batra Hospital. The Delhi government has told High Court we are augmenting the number of beds available in Delhi by 15,000 additional beds, but we do not have the oxygen available for these beds. The Delhi High Court questioned the Delhi government on why the request for Army, Navy, Air Force help has not yet been put into motion. Let's see what the Delhi government responds to this. Anisha Mathur getting us up to speed with the very latest. Anisha, the court has clearly asked the Delhi government, why have they not mobilized and asked for help from the Army, Navy and Air Force? Why has that not been put into motion? How does the Delhi government respond to this?
Well, at the moment, Chaiti, the hearing is still going on. We've seen the center as well as the Delhi High Court questioning why exactly have the Delhi government not gone to asking the Army, Navy and Air Force to create field hospitals. To that, the Delhi government lawyer has said that we are creating 15,000 bed capacity, but we do not have enough oxygen for those beds. They've in fact said that the Delhi government has in fact claimed that we have taken help from the DRDO, we have taken help from the ITBP, and but the court has questioned that if you were to ask the Army as well for help, they will bring in their own infrastructure, they're also bringing in oxygen, so why not get them also involved?
Best to hold on with us, but there's more breaking news coming in. There's a big statement by the Delhi government. The Delhi government says that contempt needs to be initiated against oxygen suppliers in Delhi. Delhi government further goes on to say that unless some fear is put in these people, they will continue to take the state for ransom. The Delhi government has also said that some action needs to be taken against the oxygen suppliers. They need to have a sword hanging on their head to supply oxygen. This is, of course, coming in after the SOS sounded off by Batra Hospital. Anisha Mathur is with us. Anisha, a big statement coming in from Delhi government going on to say that these oxygen suppliers cannot be taking the city for ransom, the state to ransom, I beg your pardon, and there needs to be contempt that needs to be initiated against the oxygen suppliers in Delhi. And you know, Anisha, you and I both know how difficult it is for oxygen to be available here, or a bed with oxygen to be available here in the national capital, because there are hospitals running out of oxygen, the cylinders are not getting refilled in time, and it's a big mess out there in the national capital. Anisha.
Well, yes, Chaiti, this is a big mess in the capital, and we've been seeing this for the last several days. Today, again, the same issue has come up, and this council for the Delhi government has very clearly said that we need to put a fear in the mind of the suppliers, otherwise they will hold the city to ransom, and this is a very important statement being made. However, on the other side, the suppliers are blaming the government, with the amicus curiae also informing the court that there are problems on both sides, and there is attempt being made to streamline this. There is, however, a gap in between demand and supply, and that is what even the amicus is informing the court right now, that there is a gap between the supply and demand, but there is a WhatsApp group that has been created where some sort of coordination is being conducted. But the government lawyer is of course saying that the suppliers seem to be treating the situation very casually, particularly since Delhi has upped its daily oxygen requirement. The demand, of course, is rising every day. Now, the smaller suppliers are also in the courtroom hearing. Some of them have objected to the statement by the Delhi government. The argument, of course, is still going on. We'll keep getting you updates as and when it comes. But at the moment, the lawyer for Goyal Gases, which was one of the major suppliers of cylinders to Delhi, has objected to the Delhi government's assertion that strict criminal action under contempt is required against the gas suppliers. The lawyer has argued that the Delhi government is painting every supplier with the same brush, and we are doing our best to provide supplies. The supplies are, even to each cylinder, suppliers are quite bad. All of this is being...
Okay. All right, Anisha, leave it at that. Thank you for joining us with those latest details. We'll